Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Tavern AI. First, you'll need to download the latest release from the official GitHub page. Once downloaded, extract the zip file into a dedicated folder on your computer. Next, ensure you have Node.js installed. Version 16 or higher is recommended for optimal performance. This initial setup is crucial for getting Tavern AI running smoothly on your machine. Now, let's get into the configuration. Open your terminal or command prompt and navigate to the Tavern AI folder you just created. Type npm install and press enter to install all necessary dependencies. This might take a few moments. After installation, locate the config.json file and open it with a text editor. Here, you'll input your API key, which is essential for connecting to your chosen AI model. With your API key entered, save the config.json file. Return to your terminal or command prompt, still within the Tavern AI folder. To launch the application, simply type node server.js and hit enter. You should see messages indicating the server has started. Finally, open your web browser and navigate to localhost 8000 to access the Tavern AI interface and begin your interactions. Once Tavern AI is running, you can start customizing your experience. Explore various character cards and backgrounds to personalize your chat environment. Don't forget to dive into the settings to fine-tune parameters like response length and creativity, ensuring your interactions are exactly how you like them. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy building your unique AI conversations.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.